How are you, ma'am? ये मेरा butterfly है.
Good morning and namaskar everyone. I hope you all are doing very well. Okay, so yes.
मैम ये है ना मेरी माँ ने बटरफ्लाई ले दिया.
Okay, very good, Hasti. So before starting today's class, so everyone please join your hands and close your eyes. First of all, we will do a prayer. Okay. Okay everyone, now you can open your eyes and unfold your hands. Okay, so kids, can you see me properly?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
everyone. Now please be ready for your attendance. I am going to take your attendance, so please be ready for that. Okay, so as I say your name, you have to say yes ma'am or present ma'am.
Ma'am.
So let's see Aghara.
Unit 1 की जगह Unit 2 आएगा ना?
That's why I erased it. That's why I erased it. Here it will 2 will only come. But as I wanted to start prayer, that's why I didn't erase it full. Okay. Pulatya Aghara.
Present, ma'am.
Dharam Ghorania.
Present, ma'am.
Ruhi Bloch.
Present, ma'am.
Daksh Detharia.
Present, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am कौन सा पीरियड?
Ayu Detroja. Ayu. Princy Detroja. Madhav Kaladia.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Manasvi Jetloja.
Present, ma'am.
Dwit Kagatra.
Present, ma'am.
Navya Kela. Navya. Okay Navya. Okay. Priyansh Kavar.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Kiran Khandeka. Nirmit Mistry.
बारी असमी ना
Nirmit, आपका माइक ऑफ है. प्लीज टर्न ऑन योर माइक एंड देन से. Naksh Patadia, Arav Patel.
मैम मेरी कब आएगी?
Arav Patel.
Arav Patel present मैम.
Okay.
मैम.
Durva Patel. Durva Patel. Nitya Raj.
Present मैम.
Shlok Sanja.
Shlok Sanja present मैम.
Okay. Kevin Savaria.
Present मैम.
Okay. Jignasha Senapati.
Present मैम.
Okay. Sakshi Sharma. Shraddha Undavya.
Present मैम से बताऊंगा वेट प्रेजेंट में.
Dhruva Vamja.
Present मैम.
Okay. Hasti Patel.
Present मैम.
Yes, Hasti.
मैम आप क्या कौन सा पीडीएफ कराने वाले हो?
बेटा वो मैं बता दूंगी that what I am going to teach. First let me finish with my attendance. Krisha Patadia. Devesh Mungia.
प्रेजेंट मैम.
Okay. Okay, kids, so your attendance is done.
इंग्लिश का पीरियड है.
Yes, Hasti, मैं आप लोगों का इंग्लिश लेती हूँ. I teach you English. So whenever I come at that time, I will either teach English or English grammar. Okay? Okay, kids. So in previous class, we completed our 3 chapters. That is our 3rd chapter from English grammar. That is 1 and more than 1. That is what we completed in previous class. Okay, so by that we completed our MEA1. That is your month and assessment 1 examination syllabus. So you have 1 unit from English literature. That is the wonderful nature, the first unit, and 3 chapters from grammar. First chapter, that is sentences. Second chapter, that is naming words, and third chapter, that is 1 and more than 1. So by that we completed our MEA1 syllabus for your MEA1 exam. Today we are going to start new unit from English literature, that is unit 2, my family. Unit 2, my family. Okay. So kids, we all have families, right? And in that, and in our families, we have elders, that is, we have parents, grandparents, then uncle, aunts. So we should always respect our grandparents, other elders of the house, and we should always treat them in a special way. Okay. Whoever elder is present in our house or who lives with us, we should be helpful to them, and we should be careful to them, and we should always treat them in a special way, especially our grandparents. We go for a walk with our grandparents. Our grandparents tells us interesting bedtime stories. They also teach you many manners, good manners, right? So in that way, so by these ways, grandparents are always with us. They teach us good things. So in return, we should also treat our grandparents in a special way. Okay, so kids, before I start today's class, or before we look into our textbook, I have a short video that I want to show you. Okay, so I am turning on the video that I want to show you. So for that, I am turning off my video. Okay, and okay.
I love my grandparents. Binnu plays with her grandparents every weekend. He and his grandparents enjoy themselves on Sundays. Binnu's grandfather plays some board games with him. He gets some tips to play board games well from his grandfather. On the other hand, his grandmother tries to make him fat in those 2 days. She bakes the best chocolate cake for him. Binnu is a big admirer of her cooking. Whenever Binnu has a holiday, his grandparents plan for a picnic. Last time, they went to the nearby hill station. One day, Binnu and his grandpa were playing with a football when the old man had a fall and hurt his ankle. Binnu's dad became sorry to see his father in pain. He took him to hospital. The doctor advised him to take a rest for some days. Luckily, there was nothing to worry about. Binnu saw how his mom and dad took care of his grandfather. Mom applied the ointment on his ankle and gave him a gentle massage every day. Binnu saw his dad talking to him and asking him about his pain. One day, Binnu took his grandfather for a walk. He noticed his parents taking utmost care for the grandparents. So, he asked his mom, why she took so much care about Grandpa? She said, parents are parents for everybody. They love us very much all their lives. So, it is our duty to take care of them. Moral: grandparents are special and they deserve to be treated in a special way.
Okay. So, did you enjoy the video?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now, who will tell me
Yes, ma'am.
what was in that video? Chalo, who will? Priyansh, will you tell me? What did you see in that video?
मैम आवाज
Yes.
ठीक नहीं आ रही है.
When I said that, what did you see in that video?
मेरी मतलब
ના તે જોયું તું વિડીયોમાં તે શું જોયું તે જોયું
मैम
તું?
आँखों
હા
तुम्हें आ रही
મેમ પૂછ્યું ને ત્યારે કહેતી કે મેમ
मैम
પૂરા નહીં દેખાઈ दिया था मुझे मैंने लास्ट
Please turn off your mic, everyone. I just asked Kriyansh. Yes, Kriyansh? Yes?
we learned that
It is okay. What I want is that what did you see in that video? What you came to know from that video? That is what I asked.
I see
Okay? Yes?
Binnu's grandfather is falling.
Okay, yes. Okay, so Devesh, can you say? Devesh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
मैम मेरे को कुछ नहीं बोलना.
Yes, Devesh?
मैम मेरे को कुछ नहीं बोलना है.
Why? I am not asking you. I am telling you to speak. I am not asking you that will you speak. I am telling you that you have to speak. Okay. Okay, kids. So in that video, we can see that there is a boy. Okay. And he loves to play with his grandfather, that is his grandparents. He used to play games. They used to go outside. They used to go for a walk. They used to visit many places. Okay. So they used to go there. But one day his grandfather fell down. Okay. And he got injured. So his father was very worried that his father got injured. Okay. So the boy asked to his parents that why are they worried about the grandfather? Then they replied, because they are also someone's parents. So this story shows us that first thing, that we should be always we should be always caring, we should always love our grandparents or our parents. Okay. So, and we should always treat our grandparents in a special way because they are also someone's parents. Okay, kids. So this is what we learned from this video, from this story.
Ma'am,
Okay. Now, yes,
Durva Patel is present.
yes, Durva. Okay, so this is what we learned from that video. Okay, now, so let us say that what you are going to learn from Unit 2. So everyone please open your English textbook. English textbook, and in that open page number 2020. Yes, very good, Dhruva. That beings love and care his grandparents. Yes. Page number 20. So see kids, this box, that what the things you are going to learn from this chapter. So then in this chapter, first of all, you are going to learn CH sound. Then in grammar portion, A and the, that is article. Yes, very good, Pulastya. That is, we should help our grandparents. Yes. Then in reading, we have grandpa lost his glasses. See, this is very interesting story in which grandpa loses his glasses. Okay, so that is very interesting story that we will read. Then in vocabulary, we have male and female. In writing, paragraph writing, we will learn that what is a paragraph and how to write it. And in poetry, what are grandmas for? What are grandmas for? Okay, so first of all, let us start with getting started activity, that is on page number 20. Okay, so first of all, you will write CW and today's date here. CW, here CW and today's date. That is 6th May 21. Okay, so in getting started, see, fill the boxes with the correct words. So in this you can see that there are some words. Okay. Okay, now I think you will be able to see. And then this is a picture with blank. So we have to fill these spaces, we have to fill these boxes with correct words. So see, first of all, let us start with this first box. Okay, so first box, this is for this picture. Okay, this box is for this picture. So, whose picture is this?
Clock.
Yes, clock. Yes. So you have to find clock from here. So it is clock. Yes, beta. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. So clock, right? So you have to cut clock from here and write it in this box. So there is a clock on the wall. Then see, on a sofa, grandparents are sitting. So he is who? Grandfather. So in this space, you will cut grandfather from here and write it in this space. That is grandfather. So you can see that grandfather is reading newspaper. Okay. Then she is grandmother. Here grandmother is given in this box. So from here you will cut the word grandmother and write it in this space here. Grandmother. So you can see that grandmother is knitting. See, this is knitting. Knitting means to make woolen clothes from wool. Okay, so this is knitting. We call it knitting. Then, see, there is a picture and we call this picture as painting. So there is a painting in the wall. So in this box, you will write painting. So cut painting from here and write it here. And there are children in the room. Yes.
Ma'am, I have doubt.
Yes, are you?
मैम मैं से कह रहा हूँ कि ग्रैंड मदर लिखा है तो उसमें हमें मैम लिखना है कि नहीं?
क्या? What are you? I didn't get your point. Please repeat.
मैम मैं से कह रहा हूँ ग्रैंडफादर है।
धर्म, wait a minute, धर्म.
तो वो हमें लिखना है न्यूज़पेपर भी, तो वो हमें स्पेस में लिखना है कि नहीं?
हाँ, yes, you have to write it in the space. That is what I am saying, that cut this word from here and write it in the box. That's why I am saying, because you have to write it.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Dharam.
मैम मेरा नेटवर्क इश्यू था ना, इसलिए मैं लैपटॉप में था, इसलिए चिल्ड्रन कहाँ पे लिखना है?
In this space.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, and this empty box, this blank is for this. So what is this that you see on the table? What is this?
Glasses.
Glasses. Yes, very good.
Glasses.
Yes.
Glasses.
Yes. So here from you will
Glasses.
from here and write it here.
Glasses.
Cut glasses from here and write it here. Yes. So by this you have to complete this getting started activity. Yes, very good everyone. Yes, very good. You have to take care, love, help and support our grandparents. Yes, very good. Okay. Okay, everyone. Yes. Okay, so now we will do listening activity, that is on page number 21. So everyone open page number 21. See kids, because I have already wrote the answer for this listening activity, so I am not going to show you. I will just read it. Okay. See, listening activity on page number 21.
क्लास
Yes.
यही पे लिखना है ना?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now, listen to the description. First of all, you have to listen to the description. I will say, Devesh, please turn off your video.
मैम ये देखो.
Yes, beta, at the end of the class you show me. Okay, everyone will show me their work. Not now. First of all, let us complete today's work. Okay. Now, So I will give you description of a grandfather. Okay. In this picture, you can see that there are 3 grandfathers standing. Okay. 3 grandfathers that are standing. So I will give description. That is, I will tell some sentences about them. You have to listen to them and identify that about which grandfather I am talking about. Okay. So, I am starting with my description. Please listen to me very carefully. See kids. Grandfather is ready for a walk. He is ready with his stick. Grandfather wears glasses. And the grandfather has black shoes. Again repeating. The grandfather is ready for a walk. The grandfather has a stick. Grandfather wears glasses and he has black shoes. Okay, so which picture? So which picture matches with the description? Yes, very good. That is first one. Yes. So you have to circle. So you have to circle. So you have to circle first one. Okay. Okay, very good kids. Now everyone open your 1A notebook. 1A notebook. Now we are going to do phonics, that is CH sound words. Phonics CH sound words. See kids, I will share PDF of this. Okay, I am going to share PDF of this. So first of all, you open your 1A notebook. In that write CW and today's date. Then here write unit 2 and give first heading as my family. Okay. And in second line, you will not skip any line. No one will skip any line. Okay, so this is your first line, and in second line here, give heading phonics. Phonics fun. CH words. Phonics fun CH words.
मैम इसकी PDF शेयर हो जाएगी?
Yes.
Okay मैम, thank you.
So phonics fun CH words. Okay. So see kids, in this chapter you are going to learn about words that have CH sound. So first of all, let us see what is sound of CH. So the sound of CH is ch. So what is the sound of CH? Yes, everybody?
Ch.
Ch. Yes. So whenever yes. So whenever you see letters such as C and H, it sounds as ch. Okay. So now let us see some words. These you have to write, okay? But I will also share PDF. So let us see some words that has CH sound. Now you have to write these in your 1A notebook. I am going to share PDF, but still if you complete it now, so afterwards you will not have to write it. So A. That is CH. 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 So this will be chain. Chain. We use chain to tie something. And we also wear chain in our neck. You must have seen your mother and father wearing a chain. Okay. So that is chain. So in this CH sound, ch is coming. So it will be chain. This is I. Chain. Now next. Child. And this is small, okay? This will not be capital. This is small. Child, that is kid. Small kid, they are also known as child. So that is when it is when he or she is 1 in number, we use child. Yes?
मैम बुक इंग्लिश वाली
Yes? Nitya?
ये वाली बुक ना
मुझे कैसे पता चलेगा बेटा? आपका वीडियो तो ऑफ है.
मेरा वीडियो नहीं यहाँ मैम.
आपको 1A नोटबुक में लिखना है. You have to write in 1A notebook. Okay?
ओके मैम.
Yes, very good, Arav. It is cheese also. Yes. CH. Yes. Now next, lunch. Lunch, that is the meal that we eat in afternoon. So that is called lunch. Now next, beach. Beach is a place. Yes, very good, Navya. Beach. So beach is a place where we go.
Eraser go.
Yes.
ના અત્યારે જ અહીંયા ક્યાં ગયું બધું લખી લાઈન નથી બેઠી અભી હાલ જ
Who is? Yes, Uttara, do you want to ask something?
મારી મહિના નાક નહીં.
Yes, Devesh.
मैम ये बीच क्या है? ये बीच एक नेमिंग वर्ड है
Yes, Devesh. It is a naming word. It is a naming word of a place where we go, where there is sea, sand. Okay, so that is beach. So here also CH sound is coming, is present. Now next is chat. Chat, that is to talk with someone. When two or more persons, when two or more people are talking with each other, that means they are having chat with each other. That is chat. And next, church. Church is a place where Jesus Christ is. It is a place for worshipping. Okay, church is a place where we can pray. So that is Christian. We are Hindus. Okay, Hindus go into temple, then the Muslims go into mosque. In that way, Christians go into church, and there they pray Jesus Christ. Now next, peach. Peach is a fruit and it is also a color. Peach is a fruit and it is also a color. Now see kids, if I will write here, there is a down, down, down. You will not be able to see it. So you have to write down, 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 down. But as you can see, that's why I am writing at this side. Okay.
मैम
Now next. Yes.
साइड में हम नहीं लिख सकते.
Yes, there also you can write. But yes, there also you can write.
मैम okay मैम. How many words we write?
Total 10. We are going to write total 10 words. So these are 7. So still we will write 3 more words. Okay, now next H is rise. Reach, sorry. Reach. The person who has more money. So much money. That is reach. Okay. Okay. Now next is chess. Chess is a game that we play. That board is white and black in color. Okay, so that is chess. And last word is chair. Chair. That is chair on which we sit. So, king, child, lunch, beach, check, church, peach, beach, chess and chair. These are some words in which CH sound is present. So, once you complete your work, please give thumbs up in the chat box. I will share PDF of this, so don't worry. In case if your work remains, then you can complete it from the PDF. Okay. Yes, teacher. Very good, Kevin. Yes. Kitchen, shlok. Yes. Branches, Arav. Yes, very good. Challenging, that is Kriyansh. Yes. Shlok said watch. Yes. Kevin said chocolate. Tweej said choose. Yes. Dhruva said branch. Manashvi said chick. Hasti said kitchen. Kevin said chicken. Yes, very good everyone. Shlok said watch and lunch box. Yes, very good everyone. Okay, so done. I am going to erase this now. Done?
Done.
Yes.
Done.
Okay. Don't say done because others who's remaining, I am not able to listen to their voice. Okay? Please don't say that. Okay, so whoever work is remaining, but I will share PDF of this. So please write from there, okay? Now we have to move further. Okay, yes, Navya. Because most of the kids have already completed, so I won't. Now we will move towards next exercise. Okay, now everyone please look into your textbook. Okay, chalo. In case if these three words are remaining, then I will keep this because I will need just this part. Okay, so now everyone again open page number 21 in your textbook. So now we will see from textbook. See. Phonics fun, that is CH sound. Read the CH sound words. So this is chair, beach, lunchbox, keys, watch and kitchen. So these are some words with CH sound. In the words above, the CH sound appears at different places. It sounds the same everywhere. See, in this you can see, here CH comes first, your sound. In this it comes last. Okay, in lunchbox it comes in between. So wherever its place remains, its sound will remain same. That is CH. Okay, so whatever place, at whatever place it is, whether it is at beginning of a word, in middle of the word or at end of the word, its sounds remain same. Okay, now we will complete question number 1. Complete the words with CH, read aloud. We will complete this exercise. So, question number 1. Okay, so the first picture is of what?
Sheep.
Yes? Chips. Yes. They are chips.
Sheep.
Yes, very good everyone.
Ma'am.
So here picture is
Ma'am.
one and 2 blanks. Yes? हाँ बोलो बेटा.
So much.
Yes. So. Okay. Yes. Okay. बस बेटा, अगर हम ऐसे ही बोलते रहेंगे तो फिर हमारा ये ये एक्सरसाइज कंप्लीट नहीं हो पाएगी. Yes, very good. So that is chips. So here in this first blank we have to write C and here S. So it will be chips. Potato chips that we eat. Okay, so that is chips. Chips. Now second. Cat. Yes, very good everyone. So here we have to write C and S. See in this picture. Okay everyone. Okay, turn off your mic. See kids, I request each and every one of you. See, okay, I allow you to speak. Okay, you can give answers, but if you give answer, just turn off your mic. Okay, so that I can speak. See, in this picture you can see that they are having chat with each other. That is, they are talking with each other. Okay, chalo, now next. Yes. Yes, that is yes. C-H. It will be cheese. So here we have to write C-H, cheese. Yes, very good. Yummy cheese. I know you all like cheese. Yes, I like cheese so much. I eat cubes of I can eat cubes of cheese every day. Okay, I like cheese so much.
I also like cheese.
Yes.
I also like.
Okay.
I also like cheese.
Oh, okay. I know. Each and every one of you like. Yes. Yes, please. Now please turn off your mic. Yes. Okay. Now next picture.
Picture.
Okay, everyone. Okay. Yes. Okay. Yes, so that is picture. Picture means boat. As you can see in the picture, it is boat. Picture of a boat. Okay. And now last. Yes, bench. Yes, it is a picture of bench. Yes, very good everyone. I really appreciate each and every one of you. Yes. Very good.
Where we sit?
Yes, bench. Yes, bench is a thing on which we sit. Yes. Okay. So this is our question number 1. Okay, kids. Yes, beta.
Sir.
Sir. Yes, it is also, in that also we have CH word. Yes, very good.
What?
Watch. Yes. Okay, kids. But okay, now kids, I want to explain. See, everyone. Okay, please turn off your mic now. I want to explain hope. बस बेटा. Okay, yes. मुझे पता चल गया, आप सबको आ गया है. Now no one will turn on their mic. I want to explain you homework. So please don't turn on your mic. Okay. Otherwise you will not be able to listen me properly. Now let us talk about your homework. Please turn your page. Yes, very good everyone. Yes. See, this question number 2. This is your today's homework. So write HW here. Please listen to me very carefully. This is your today's homework. So write HW over here. So now let us see what you have to do. See.
Mama,
Name the words. See, name the pictures. You have to name these pictures. Circle the letters which C, H sound in each word. and read aloud. See, in this box some words are given. Yes?
Hannah. मैम
Yes, Adya.
ये किसकी क्लास है?
Second standard English.
ओके
Okay, so in this box there are some words and these pictures. Okay, so with the help of these pictures and with these words and the words given in the box, you have to fill in these blanks. Okay, see, जैसे कि this is a picture of what? First picture is of
chocolate.
yes, chocolate. Yes. Yes, very good everyone. So here chocolate is given, right?
Chocolate.
So you will cut. Oh, yes, beta. Yes, beta. Yes. Okay, everyone, please turn off your mic. Okay. So that is chocolate. So we have to cut chocolate from here and write it here. So in this way, you have to complete this question in your homework. Okay. Now see, then they are saying that circle the letters. You have to circle the letters with CH sound in each word and then read aloud. So that we will do tomorrow. Okay. So in your homework, what you have to do, you just have to write names of these pictures. You will just write names of these pictures and words that we will circle tomorrow. Okay. So this is your today's homework. First of all, let me finish, beta. Then you say whatever you want to. Okay, now understood everyone? Do you have any doubt? See, if you have any doubt, then please write. Please write. See, if you have any doubt, then write yes in the chat box. Write yes in chat box. Yes, Navya.
मैम
Yes.
आपने ये अभी बोला ना कि सर्कल करना है, वो में होमवर्क में है या क्लास वर्क में?
That is your today's homework, but that you will just write names of the pictures. You have to just write names. Circle we will do tomorrow.
ओके मैम.
Okay. Yes, Jignasha. Yes, Jignasha.
मैम मैं सुन नहीं पाई, मेरा नेटवर्क इशू था ना इसलिए.
Okay, so that question number 2 is your homework. This is your homework. You have to see pictures and you have to write their names from this box. So that is your homework. That is what you have to do.
ओके मैम, थैंक यू.
Yes, okay, welcome. Okay, so others don't have any doubt, right? Okay, so bye kids. We will meet tomorrow. Bye everyone.
Bye मैम.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.